When people see the word burpees, they either squeal with excitement, that's me, I'm those people, or they instantly jump to the excuse of, I can't do burpees. And that's unfortunate because burpees are one of the most effective overall movements that you can do. They hit your cardio, grow your endurance, build strength in your legs, your core, your chest, your shoulders, require zero equipment, and give you a huge boost in the feeling like a badass department. If you're short on time or motivation, throwing some burpees in your day can be an extremely quick and effective workout. They are also infinitely modifiable to work for any fitness level. I'm gonna show you 7 different ways that you can do a burpee right now, even if you've never done one before. And just so you know, not a single one will have any jumping in them. As you can see, there are tons of ways to make a burpee work for you no matter what your fitness level is. And I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. There's also no burpee secret police agents that are gonna come to your house and tell you that you're doing a burpee wrong because you're modifying it. The only way you can do a burpee wrong is if you hurt yourself. Sore is good, pain is bad. Do what you can where you're at right now, and pretty soon you will be amazed at how much more you can do. Go forth and burpee, my friends.